back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with another super stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke My Brother's Keeper. Lena ke isiya ngasemaphethelweni iyaphela ke, guys, iyaphela. The last episode will be on the 17th of April 2025. So nje sithi farewell guys kule story bakithi kade ke sisithanda kangaka, but unfortunately they have to cancel it because of some reasons. Guys ke sizophela kanjena ke, guys, ukuthi ke uFakazile kanye ke noNqubeko i-relationship yabo will reach a stumbling block. I don't know what will be happening, but bwasengazi ukuthi ke bazogcina ke bengasaboni ngasolinye nomndeni ke wakwaShabalala. Nanokuthi guys umndeni wakwaShabalala ke uzozuplan ukuthi ke umkhiphe endlini ke iyakwaShabalala, of which now umuzi wakhe ke loyana, futhi ukhumbula ukuthi ke uFakazile wawukhipha egameni likaKhwezi ngesikhathi esathandana na ke noMenzi ufaka ke egameni lakhe, but ke bwasengathi relationship yakhe noNqubeko igcine ke ingahambanga ngendlela ke right. And guys enye ke into ebhlungu ke ukuthi ke uMshengu uzogcina engazi ukuthi ke usephambanelwa ke ikhanda, akayemukeli kahle lento yokuthi ke uMamchunu akasekho ke emhlabeni. Uzozagcina semphambanisa nabanye abantu, kodwa nje kuzogcina nje kungekho right ngomshengu, guys. Sizoyivala ke ikanjalo ke uMshengu ke ephambanelwa ikhanda, bathi kuzokahlangana nomuntu nje wesifazane ayitshela ukuthi ke uMamchunu kade cha uMamkhize. Uzobe nje sengathi useyahlanya ngempela. Bazomkhipha ke futhi nasemsebenzini laphana ke eShaba Snacks, bese kuthi guys bathi ke on the last day, but a confused Atari paranoid Mshengu doesn't understand why no one want him to see his wife. Uwife wakhe ke ongasekho emhlabeni. So nje umqondo wakhe uzophambana ngempela ke toward the end of the story. Bathi ke uFakazile naye ke will close the Shabalala chapter in an epic manner. Toba and Busiso find themselves praying for their grandfather osephambanelwa ke, guys, umqondo. So guys yona into ezobiyenzeka laphana ke ku My Brother's Keeper njengoba ke isiza emaphethelweni ayo. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion, guys. I have someone here. Yo, I win.